What's up guys, it's Cristian Mercado, and today I'll be reviewing the Feel Notes notebook. So Feel Notes is a really cool brand of notebooks. They just make super thin, super minimal notebooks for anyone creatives. This version is super durable. It's tear-proof, it's waterproof, and super durable. This version is made for like hikers and mountaineers, but I got it because I mostly like the orange color and I love the feel of it. I also love how thin and small they are, so you can fit them in your pocket, put them in your backpack, so you can take them anywhere to unload your creative ideas onto them. What I do is during the week, I put all my video ideas in here, and then at the end of the week, I take all the ideas and just type them up into my Notion. These are also super affordable. It's only 12 bucks for a 3-pack. I'll put the link down in the description down below because these really help me in my creative workflow. Because whenever I'm somewhere or I'm just here at my office just trying to come up with video ideas, sometimes my brain just mumbo jumbo everything, so I have to unload all the creative ideas and video ideas onto a physical piece of paper because I do better writing down ideas than typing them up. So go get yourself one of these, Amazon, link in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Peace.